What are they doing? She's licking me. Oh, she was licking me. Or he. There is 2 boys here. There's 2 boys and 4 girls. Oh, he's licking me. Oh, oh my god. It's so cute. It tickles though. It tickles. It tickles. It tickles. It's so cute though. Oh, so cute. They're all very good kitties. You were licking me. One of the girls. That one was licking me. Maybe the little one that was licking me. You like to throw a fit. I know you. Because you're the most coloring. You gonna lick me again? Are you gonna lick me again? You gonna lick me again? Oh, they're all so freaking adorable. What are you doing? All the way over there. Interesting place to hide. And this one has like reddish hue in its eyes. I think it could be blind. I like the fact there's like this one black sheep amongst all the kittens, and she is great. She's honestly one of my favorites. Well, keep in mind that that little one over there wouldn't stop licking me. And just some cuteness to bless your feed today. On whatever platform you're on. What are you doing now? What is this one doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Trying to escape? Gonna be a little escape artist?